Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm very excited to bring you another EcoXgear product, but this one's a little bit different. These ones are the EcoPox 2 wireless helmet audio. So basically what that means that if you have a ski helmet or a bicycle helmet with audio pockets, you will be able to just slid them right in and you will be able to enjoy your tunes, and they are designed to use with heavy snow equipment. So that means that while you have your gloves on and your helmet and all your protective gear while you're skiing or snowboarding, you will still be able to touch the unit and command your phone to change, receive calls, send messages, talk to Siri or OK Google, and on top of that, enjoy your favorite songs. So we're gonna go ahead and do this unboxing of this unit, and I'm gonna show you exactly what is inside and how is it working. So for you to actually make an informed decision, this is the second time that I had to record this video because I didn't actually try them on first. And I really wanted to go ahead and get the vibe out of them before I actually posted the video. So I just decided to record the video one more time. I know that I'm getting late into the ski season, but don't worry, I will just re-upload this once that the ski season starts one more time, so you guys can actually see it on my channel, and I'll be more than happy to actually go ahead and show you exactly what is inside this case. So we're gonna go ahead and start by looking at the box. It looks very, very nice. I always have to actually tell that about EcoXgear. They do put their love into the boxes and the design of it. So we're gonna start by seeing over here that this is a helmet audio IP67. I will give you an explanation of what exactly that means, so you guys can actually go ahead and take a look at it. Over here we have somebody really covered in snow with the unit inside. You guys can see it has large button to keep your gloves on. You don't have to actually take your gloves like in order to actually play a song or answer a phone call, which is basically a huge win right there. You can make phone calls. It has an integrated microphone and it has 40mm drivers to enjoy your music. What it will be inside the box, it will be the unit itself, the charging case, and the warranty card. Over here we have the same thing, and we have over here the design of this. So we're gonna go ahead and open this box. Oh, it's a magnet box. I love when they do that. So let's go ahead and open it up so you guys can see what is inside. They have their logo on it, somebody's skiing. So this one will be helmet audio, pure HD sound, has EcoTalk so you can talk to your phone, and also has Zello Walkie Talkie app. So that means that if you and your family or a friend actually get two of these, you guys will be able to talk each other with just the push of a button. So that's really convenient just to check on your friends, or where are they in the slopes, where is exactly they are in the mountain, so you guys can actually get together, or you can actually go ahead and share the music with them. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what exactly that means. Oh, this one has a 15-hour battery, so it's a huge battery for such a small device, and has audio share. So you can pair your pucks to another set of pucks and play music from just one phone. So that will be really fun if you want to share music with somebody, or if you just want to go ahead and make them miserable by sharing awful music. So it's up to you guys. So over here on the right side, we have the unit itself. It has large buttons, integrated microphone, 40mm drivers. So this is basically 4mm speakers, and the IP67, you can smartphone it in with Bluetooth. Over here you guys can actually see the button, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this out so I can show you guys this real quick. Again, very nice packing. I really love how they do it over here in EcoXgear. Over here we have the units, and I'm gonna show you that in just 1 second. Over here on the box, I have the charging cord, which is USB-C. All right, over here we have another cord, which is USB-C to 3.5mm. So just in case, I'm thinking that if you run out of power, you will be able to just plug this into the unit and run this into the 3.5 microphone hole that you do have in your smartphone. A lot of smartphones don't have this anymore, so make sure that you do have one just in case. Again, 15-hour battery should last you a lot of days in the slopes, so you guys don't really have to worry about that. I'm gonna go ahead and keep the box nice and tight over here. All right, we have a little baggie over here. I can see a sticker already. I love when they give me stickers. I stick them all over my gear. Alrighty, so I have the sticker for EcoXgear with their logo on it. I have a little card over here on audio optimization. All right, make sure that you actually put this like right into your ears, not like in the back of your head, because the audio will not be as good, right? So this is basically what that card states. And over here, you guys have the user manual. So make sure you take a hot second to go over this and read over the commands of the unit so you guys can know exactly what you can do with your EcoPods. Now I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna show you the star of the show today. So we have these big speakers over here. You guys can actually see the speakers. You have their logo, and these are the buttons. So these are really big buttons that you can actually, with your gloves on, while these are inside your helmet, you will still be able to press and communicate to your phone, answer phone calls, send text messages, and so on, so on. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of their case over here. And so these ones are actually attached by a wire, but don't worry, the wire will go in the inline of your helmet, so you won't even feel it. And in the middle of it, you guys have the connection for the USB-C in order to charge the unit. So this is basically how they work, right? So you slide them into your helmet, and with the big buttons, you actually press this button, which is actually their logo, all right? They have left and right speakers over here. And basically with just this, you slide them in, you turn them on, you pair to your phone and start listening to some music. I want to go ahead and I'm going to put this over here real quick, and I'm going to pull up the user manual so I can show you this page. So this is audio share. This is how to actually pair two of them together to one phone so you can share your music with a friend. And over here, you guys actually have the instruction how to use it with the Zello Walkie Talkie app. This is a separate app. This is not an EcoXgear product. So that means that the support for that type of app will be directly with that app directly. So it's called Zello Walkie Talkie app. It's free. You guys can download it. I think it's free. Don't quote me on that. Take it with a grain of salt. But basically what you can do is simply go ahead and connect your phone, open up the app. And while you're skiing and in the mountain, there's a setup over here that you guys can do with the buttons of the unit in order to actually go ahead and send a message to somebody. And it basically works like a walkie-talkie, like an instant voice message. So thinking about it that way, it will be really helpful if you're a ski instructor, if you have kids, if you need to know exactly where they are in the mountain, or if they're already up or down the slopes, so you guys can actually communicate with the people while you're actually in the mountain. So please remember, there are some limitations to that app. I think it requires like data or internet in order to actually send those messages. So go ahead and check that up. I'll leave a link in the description below, and I'll also give you guys a link in the description below where you can actually get one of these sets. So again, guys, this were the EcoPods 2, really comfy. I really love the sound out of this unit. I already tried them out with my phone. I put them on my gear, and they're like, you don't even notice that it's there, and gives you incredible sound. So I'm really happy with this unit, and I strongly recommend you, especially if you're a Vivid skier or a Vivid snowboard man, or like if you really like the snow winter, right? And if you go to ski or snowboard a lot, I strongly recommend you to upgrade your gear to actually enjoy your favorite tunes while you're actually carving down some lines over there in the mountain. So again, guys, this is EcoXgear, the EcoPods 2. These are wireless. They also have a wired version, which is very similar to the setup that I showed you guys with the cable, right? So it's basically just a cable that goes from here to here, is completely attached. It's not Bluetooth. So you guys can also choose that option, but I'll strongly recommend you to get the Bluetooth one because it will make your life easier, no wires, and you don't have to worry about that. So guys, this was a quick video to show you this unit. I know that the ski season is almost out, but again, you are more than welcome to try them out and let me know what you think in the comments. Again, guys, I really appreciate your support. If you like the video, just, smash the like button, subscribe, share with your friends, tell them what you think. If you guys need any question, if you guys have any questions about this product specifically, remember that I do have it right here in front of me, and I will be able to actually answer those questions. If you bought one of these units and you're having issues with it, contact EcoXgear. They're super cool. They have all these options for you to actually talk to them, like email, chat, and phone. So just let them know exactly what's going on so they can help you out with it. They come in with a 1-year warranty, and basically that's it. If something goes wrong, just let them know. They will be more than happy to help you. So again, guys, I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys next Sunday with more products like this. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a great week.